hope you saw my last video where I opened my beauty kit, nail kit, my 2 erasers, my 5-pack Shopkins, my little Luxie Tinies, my Squinky surprise eggs, my Microlite. Oh, yeah, all that. So, here's what I did open. So I think I'm going to have to start with this big. Oh, there's 4 hidden Shopkins inside, including 33 other Shopkins. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some scissors really quick. Here we go. I'm so excited. No, that's a cute box. Put my box. Apparently, none of them fell out. Where are the hidden Shopkins? I don't see any hidden Shopkins. 4 exclusive hidden Shopkins inside. I guess these are the hidden Shopkins. They don't look very hidden to me. Let's open them up. How cute. Asparagus. Now, instead of asparagus, it's asparagus. Like the name, Gus. That's pretty cute. And I've been waiting for a wild carrot. I haven't gotten a wild carrot yet. Even though it's my huge collection of season 3s, I don't have wild carrot. And this is wild carrot in white. There is orange. Oh, orange and white. That's my kitty up there. Her name's Blossom. She loves chocolate. Oh, here's Sweet Pea. Yay, Sweet Pea. Open her up. Take the tape off. Boing. So much tape. There's Sweet Pea. Okay. I'm going to. Oh. Here is Beverly Hills in yellow. Pop Rock in green. Duplicate. Mix. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, here they are. The flying bit. Okay. Here's Mixie and Maxie. Now this one's a duplicate.
What do you mean when you say duplicate?
Oh, that means I have 2 of them. And two of the same one. So, Shopkins, you can trade Shopkins with a friend, and you can, if they don't have this one, then you can trade with a friend and get one that you don't have. Here is Vicky back in pink. I don't have her. Yay! She's cute. Oh, yeah, this is a duplicate as well. Asparagus. Here are my 5 Shopkins baskets. So many baskets. 2 big shopping baskets. Oh. I'm gonna open up. Oh. I'll take 2 out at a time. No, a Kiwi Kiwi. I love Kiwi Kiwi. So, whoa. Here's Kiwi Kiwi. And then, I don't know what her name is, but I'm gonna look it up pretty soon. Here is Shady and Snugug. This is not Cookie Cookie. I think this is... what was her name? I do not remember her name, but here she is. Cute. I've ever seen a cookie with glasses before. And a Scony in yellow. Here's Sausage Sizzle in white. Oh, here's Vanilla Slice in purple and yellow. And Sausage Sizzle in white. Ginger Fred. Whoa. That's kind of funny because his name is Ginger Fred. Oh, here's a duplicate. Here's a duplicate. Scony is my duplicate. Now, I think this is Willow Wedge